everyone, welcome to my channel. And what's going on? I blink and a new Sai Abhyankar song just drops out of nowhere. So this is from Surya's upcoming film Karippu. Now this is a lyric video which is called, the song is called God Mode, and obviously the music is given by Sai. The translations are not there because I checked, so I obviously will not be able to comment on the lyrics. But what I'm seeing from the description, let me open. So music by Sai, singer Sai Abhyankar and Gana Muttu. Then we have backing vocals by the Indian Choral Ensemble and lyrics by Vishnu Edavan. So yeah, it's been 2 weeks, close to 2 weeks since the song has released. So yes, let's watch this song and listen to this song right away. Oh, this is going to be like a dancey number. I'm going to enjoy this. Oh, I like that switch in the tune. Oh, I love watching the BTS. This is going to look and sound so good in the theater. The sync is great, huh? I love how Sai is able to give these really mellow moments in such energetic songs also, which I love. Okay, wow, this was so much energetic and fun. Let me stop this. I mean, what's not to love in this one? What is not to love? It has the energy. The lyric video is very engaging. Sai's vocals are amazing. Though I always prefer Sai's vocals in a romantic song, but here the energy is palpable. It's amazing. The choreography, whatever I am seeing, is just great, and just the energy of the dancers, Surya, and the synchronization with which everybody was dancing in those couple of shots, absolutely phenomenal. The music, very, 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 very energetic, full of life. It looks to me that some festival is going on, and this is a song, or this song happens when this particular festival is happening, because you see this grand celebration and all of that. Then I saw like a couple of shots of a deity, so it seems to be like that. And really, really happy to see Sai been given his flowers since day one, because he has been killing it since he has just gone completely mainstream. I have not heard a single bad song from Sai Abhyankar. Honestly, I will be shocked and surprised and a little disappointed maybe, because sometimes what happens is that when a person is on such a great streak, and especially when it comes to music, something which is very, very personal to me, in the sense that I cannot live without music. I love listening to different songs. I love exploring different kinds of music, different moods, different melodies, languages. So if I see like someone as talented as Sai Abhyankar, who can compose, who can sing, right? So when that person is on a great streak, you feel amazing, but then you also feel really, really nervous, in the sense that, oh my god, what is going to happen if that one bad song comes? And I mean, I understand the pressure, but I also understand that sometimes you cannot live up to everybody's expectation as well. So I hope, because he's so young, so I hope that he really does not succumb and crumble under that pressure, because he is really, really a pool of talent. Like, I loved the energy that was put into the song, and I loved the music. When the music was curated, there are certain moments in the song where I was saying in the end, when the song ended, that Sai knows how to infuse those mellow moments in the song, where the music, the main beat kind of slows down, and you can really, really focus on the melody. Because in the first instance, when somebody will listen to this particular song, the first thing is the beat that you notice, that because you're supposed to dance, you're supposed to feel energetic. So the main focus is on the beat. That's why the melody kind of takes the second precedence in a way. But then when you really listen to the melody, it's phenomenal. Like, if a reprise version of this comes in, the melody is going to sound so well. But I understand, because for a song like this, you need the beat. The main focus has to be the beat. So the beat comes into the forefront, and the melody kind of takes the back seat here. You hear it, but your first focus and your first attention goes to the beat, because you want to just groove and move your shoulders and all of that, right? But the little mellow moments in between, when in the song, when the beat goes away and you actually focus on the melody, you understand, you realize that, oh no, it's composed also really, really well. So that is Sai Abhyankar for you, obviously beautiful. And honestly, I am really, really wanting Surya to, this is my personal wish, that for him to have a massive blockbuster, guys, a massive blockbuster. And honestly, yes, this movie also, here he's being presented in a larger than life manner. I've already watched the teaser. I really love the teaser. But the point is, even if this is just a thought, guys, I really want to know your thoughts in this. Like, I know, yeah, this is also going to be like a big production, massive, larger than life film we see Surya in. But I don't mind him doing a really, really chill, heartfelt, heartwarming film. I mean, we know, for all that matter, we know Surya nails those kind of roles. His Chocolate Boy era is something that is just so revered and is just so beautiful. His Soft Boy era is just so beautiful, right? So, him doing those heartfelt kind of roles, I don't know why he's not doing those. He doesn't want to do. Somebody who is a big time Surya fan can give me some context here, because why not? Okay, do these kind of roles as well, but why not, something that you are goated for? You know, those charming roles, the charming Surya. Where is that charming Surya? I would want to see him in a movie like that for sure. Like, I think all his fans would also love to watch him in a film like that. Where is that? So I do really need some context. I know every actor wants to present themselves in this larger than life fashion, and yeah, that's the trend right now. That is something which is in right now. And if the movie is not put on a massive scale, it's very, very difficult to pull people in the theaters. So all of those dynamics and parameters I completely understand. You know, it's like a supply and demand thing. But my point is that I am pretty sure that the fans are going to lap up if they watch Surya in those heartfelt, charming lover boy roles as well. It's just the thought. While I was watching this song and, you know, seeing him, and it's just that the guy is so charming. He's just so freaking charming. So it just came in my mind that, oh my god, it'll be so great to watch him in that kind of a role once again. But nonetheless, this movie again, I wish him nothing but good luck. I wish him nothing but the best. I hope he gets a massive, massive box office hit. So yes, I think this is the only song of Karuppu which has released till now. If not, please let me know in the comments. But this was a good start to the album. Very, very energetic, and something which fits the mood looking at the visuals of the song. So yes, that was my reaction. Those were my thoughts. Please let me know what are your thoughts in the comments. And with that, I will end this video here, and I'll see you soon on my next one. Bye.